Hey guys, welcome back. So I have these nails ready to go. I'm gonna get started with this nail polish. It's a jelly formula. It's a pretty nude, so I'm doing 2 coats of this polish here. Now I'm going to be going over with this pinky nude color. Such a pretty color. I'm just going to be doing 1 layer of this one. Alrighty, so I'm going to be using these colors here, and I'm going to be using this nail art palette. So I'm going to get started with this red nail polish here, and I'm going to be adding this to the pinky nail. Adding a little bit on the palette in case I need to graft some. So I'm just going to be adding the polish like so. This technique is actually easiest for me as of now. This is what I've been trying and it has worked. So with a thin paintbrush, I'm just going to be doing the sides, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean up the nail. Okay, so now with this brush, I'm going to be dabbing into some alcohol and cleaning the nail up. Just going to be doing the French tip like so. And this takes practice, guys. The beginning was a little harder for me, but now that I've been practicing, it seems a little easier. And yeah, now I'm going to get started with the purple and then, and so on. I did speed up the video just because it would have been a long video. So yeah, I took my time with these just because I wanted them to come out as perfect as I could possibly make them. And I'm really happy with how they turned out. By the way, I'm pretty sure you guys noticed I ended up cutting the nails shorter just because I wasn't really digging the long nails for this French tip. So I cut them to a medium length. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be adding a nice layer of top coat, and this is just going to make them pop. They're going to look so pretty, so glossy. I absolutely love them. And here is my complete set, guys, and this is how they look on my hands. So happy with the way that they turned out. And these are my Easter nails. I'm going to be rocking these for Easter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.